Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find system settings. Now let's scroll in order to find the backup and reset option. As you can see, it is right at the bottom of the list. So let's tap, and here we've got whole Google backup section, and as you can see, the backup my data option is turned on, and it have to be in order to be able to tap on backup accounts. So make sure that this option is active, and then simply tap on backup accounts. And again, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. Let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, and I will stick with the first option. And as you can see right here, we can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So it's up to you. If you'd like to read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but simply tap on accept, because as you can see right here, we've got more info. So here we can learn that we can use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, for example, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Here you've got also the info that your device will backup the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage it easily. So if for some reason you decide that you do not want to backup the data right now, just tap on not now, and as you can see, you will simply go back to this backup and reset section. And then if you will want to backup, to enable the backup, just tap on backup accounts, pick this one, and as you can see, will be transferred directly to this step. So it means that you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the Google account and so on. So just tap on turn on. And basically, this is it. We just got back to this backup and reset section. So we just enabled the Google backup. What's more, we can decide if we want to use the automatic restore option. It is currently and defaultly turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and it simply means that your device will automatically restore the backed up data or backed up settings when you will reinstall an app. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google backup in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.